In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a timesheet in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable setup you can drop into your workspace to track hours with confidence. Start by opening Notion, then look to the very top left of your screen. Click the small drop-down arrow there. This opens your main menu so you can quickly jump into Notion's template options without hunting around. If your sidebar is collapsed, this arrow helps reveal the tools you need. Next, click on Templates. This takes you into Notion's gallery, where you can browse ready-made pages and databases. From here, you'll see categories and featured picks. We're heading toward a timesheet, so we'll move straight into the broader template area to find exactly what we need. Click on Templates again to open the full marketplace view. Think of this as Notion's store of plug-and-play pages. It's organized and searchable, which makes it ideal for grabbing a solid foundation instead of building from scratch. You'll land on a page with a prominent search bar at the top. In that search bar, type timesheet. Press enter and wait a moment as results appear. You should see a mix of time tracking and work log templates. The names can vary, but you're looking for a database-driven layout that includes properties like date, project, and hours. Take a second to scan the previews so you pick one that fits your workflow. Select the template that looks right for you. When you open it, you'll get a preview page with a description and screenshots. This is useful for confirming what properties are included, how the default view is set up, and whether it's better for individuals or teams. Click Add to bring the template into your workspace. Notion may ask where to add it. Choose the space or page where you want it to live, then confirm. After a moment, the full template will appear in your sidebar and open as a new page, ready to use. Now, edit the template so it works the way you work. Rename the page to something clear, like timesheet or weekly hours. In the database, adjust property names and types to match your needs. Common ones include date, task or description, project or client, hours, and notes. If the template includes sample entries, delete or update them so your totals reflect only your work. Tweak the default view to make it easy to read. Group by project, sort by date, or filter to the current week so logging and reviewing time stays simple. Once it looks right, your timesheet is ready to go.